Alright, let's set up so we can do brakes. This size of this biscuit, dude. Hell yeah. So we're gonna do back brakes. I think I have the big 7. I don't think I have it on me. I might have to ask him for his wheel key. It'll be super easy because I did this last night on an identical truck. The difference was I did it on the side of the street and I'm doing this in the dirt. Put that there. And then I'm gonna have to put you down for a second because this jack I gotta grab from the truck. Sir. I usually have a big 7, but I don't remember. Alright, I'll put it back when I get done. Alright, oh, I see it. Okay, I see the drain flag now.
Yeah, that's yours. It ain't mine.
Ooh. We're good. Fucking hey, man. I was just small enough to crawl up under it. I didn't have to lift the front. Yeah, I think I was done in like 12 minutes.
Yeah, that's quick.
Yeah, oil changes don't take long. The longest part is getting set up. Funny, I just did this last night on another truck, 17. Yeah, same exact truck. It was a LTZ black. It wasn't lifted or anything like that. So. But
It's only got like I want to say a 2.5, 3 inch lift.
yeah, looks good. I like it. I mean, I've always loved it. It's always a nice truck.
Yeah, so luckily those upper ARs that you recommend.
Yeah,
They're still going through that way.
that's good.
I don't hear no clunking or any of that.
Yeah, that was the initial concern, was that clunking when you're getting in and out of the driveway. Yeah.
After
Shit, so that's good. This, did they tell you when they installed it that axle is just starting to leak? You got a little axle grease from your front right. So, in time. We did the, which one? Yeah. I don't remember which side we did, but it's gonna be this one soon. Parts?
Oh, same thing.
Yeah, same thing. Just a little grease coming off of the boot. It's just normal wear and tear. So, but I can take a look at it again when I get up under there, because I just want to do like a little basic thing what's going on with this thing while I'm here, and then let you know what's up. So that way you know what's the next one on this.
hopefully not much, man.
Yeah, no shit. What is this? It's not a... Need another one. Right on. Yeah, I'll be done out of here like 45 minutes. Wait here. No problem. That's the one. Howdy doody. Right there, not too bad. Uh-huh. 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 Good thing about this is I can actually use power tools. Last night I couldn't use power tools because the guy was concerned about his neighbors making complaints about the noise. I won't have to worry about that today. Yep. Yep. Cool. We'll lock back up in there. Just like that. Lock in. Like that. Alright. Bam. Okay. All this yesterday, I have already knowing of what I'm gonna need. I'll show you guys in a bit. Take it over here. Made up space. Alright. My tools on the table. Alright. 21 and 13. Oh, I did. And I'm gonna use it on the knee pad out here. Hell yeah, much better. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. on. Let's get this camera up in there. Best angle I can get you is right here. It's actually pretty damn good. 21 for this backing nut, 13 for this caliper bolt. That there for now. Bam. Calipers off. Put it on top of the leaf spring so it'll hang. These. Slow push. And basically closing the caliper piston so I can fit the new brake pads. This one came with new hardware, so we'll see how well they fit. As long as they're not moving around, shouldn't have too much of an issue. Close. Holy hell, he needed these. Coming up and going down the hill. Looking a bunch. Let's see what this brake pad hardware looks like. What is it, Daisy Jew? Is it your ball? Is it your ball? Oh, holy cow! Gotta get my mini pry bar. And then some grease. And what else was I have? Grease, pry bar. What else was I using? Oh, a little brush. Little rag to wipe the grease off my finish. Yes, sir. Should have went live for this. Oh well. Where can I put this? It's a big gun. They're in the sun, but hey. That's good. We're good right there. Hell yeah. Okay. That's right on it. So let's get that off of there. Good, that's good. Need a little more lube. Cool. Bam, nice. Hitting the rotor. Good, 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 good. Good, 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 good. Sometimes these are marked. What happened? What'd you do with your ball? What you whining for? What you whining for? I don't know. What are you whining for? It's in, it's on. Next is grease. Try that, Lex. What, baby? What'd you do with your ball? What is it? Why? What happened? Cool. What, baby? What, baby? What? What is it? Okay, that's good to go. Turn those boots right off. Bam. That is all we are doing. Like, yeah. Cool. Done one side. We're splitting down the middle. I don't know how well that focus is going to work for you. Splitting down the middle. It was pretty much right there. He was ready to go. Same thing, splitting down the middle. Down the table. Down the table. Oh, that's. Get out of the way. What happened to your ball? Where's it at? Show me. Show me. Where is it? Where is it? Where's that? That's it. Where is it? What did you do with it? Where is it? How can I help you? What's it? Where? Oh, I see one. Oh, which piece? Oh, this one? That's a good ball. That's a good ball. Look at that. Yeah. That's a good ball. What, was that the one you were looking for or no? She seems happy about that. Ooh, oh God, it's actually farther back there than I thought. Take these back out. And then we're gonna put you around her. What? She's in the crate? I don't know. I'll see what I want myself. I see it now. This one, the purple one. There you go. I see that now. Good job, Daisy Dew. Oh, I gotta get up in there. Yeah. Right there, that's better. Yeah. These Chevys go to 140 foot-pounds. Yogi, on to the next side. Let's get you set up first, and I'll get everything else set up. What you doing, baby girl? It's dusty on the camera, I can't tell. Swipe! That works. Yism. What'd you do, Daisy? You? Oh yeah, that's perfect. Break these loose real quick. Oh, holy cow. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. 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 Doogie doogie. Okay. We did Daisy Dew. What'd you do, Mama? Let me see that ball. Let me see that ball. Let me throw that ball. So that nobody touch the ball. I'll get it. I get it. far enough? Nope. I got it right up under this table. No, everybody. Oh yeah. Oakley dokley. Oh yeah, that's good. Das gut. This one. This one. What are you doing, Daisy? Do you? What's up, big girl? There's a hole in that ball, dude. What's up, Daisy? Do? What's up, big girl? Get out of here, silly baby. What's up, Daisy girl? What you doing? Ooh, you ready? There you go. Pretty puppy you. She's a boxer. She's so cute. Where you be at? There you are. Get the brush. Nothing touching. Good go. Sensor back. Lube. She's gonna come back right now. she wrote. Oh shit, son. That's it, buddy. Oh yeah. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's that crack right in between the pad and the actual backing pad or back surface. The ceramic portion of the backing pad. Backing plate. Good? Good. Where'd you leave it? It's right here. She's so cute. Just flip this camera so you guys can see. She's over there, just waiting for this. And then we're gonna just ready. Huh. Yep. I said 140. Oh. And he said, put it in the glove box. We're all done, people. And then, last thing you want to do, because you don't want to freak out your clients when they get back in their truck, step on the brake pedal. Make sure you get calibrate compression. Yeah. Hold the way down. And then all the way down again. And then all the way down. Just put this in my box. So I'm gonna do upper. Bam. That's it. My last step is going to grab a microfiber while putting all my tools away. And then after I get done, walking around the microfiber and just making sure I didn't touch anything. Cleaning everything up. That's it. Look at a little baby trash can. Hell yeah. And that's it, everybody. Later.